In today's age, we stay busy. Busy with work, with commitments, and often we forget to make time for ourselves. Imagine starting your new journey, a journey to never having to hurry, yet always making it on time. Finally, being able to unwind and focus on what's important. A place where even on your busiest day, you have time to discover something new. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Introducing the Smacircle S1, the world's most efficient and compact micromobility solution. Built with a carbon fiber frame, it's lightweight, compact, and can easily fold up to fit in your backpack. Intuitive electric throttle and braking system. Innovative wheel hub motor system. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Bright LED headlights. Intelligent Smacircle mobile application. Unfold a Smacircle. Unfold a new day.